Hey everybody, welcome back to Mrs. Rattlecan's house. I am James and we are almost live. As you can see, it's a bit chilled still. We're actually supposed to get up close to 30 today. I think I'm going to brush off the grill and find some flip-flops. Anyways, if you follow the channel, you'll know that we have had insulation placed into our walls and into our attic, and there is a stairway right here that leads up to our attic that has traditionally been really cold because first of all the cold air from the attic came swooping down the stairs. We have fixed that with a sheet insulation foam cover, and I have a temporary cover over the window, but that stairwell still stays cold because it is, well, it's a cold space. This wall has been insulated. The wall on the other side of it has also been insulated, but there was one more thing that I decided to do, and that was to make a insulation cover for our doorway. And this is about as low-tech an item as you can get. It is a sheet of 2-inch insulation board, and I'm still fitting it. As you can see, it fits nicely down at the bottom, and then it starts to gap a little bit as we get to the top, and that's because I am slowly chamfering each one of these sides here, and I'm doing it slowly because I want this to be a nice tight fit, and to make it a little easier to move this in and out, I've gone super low tech and fashioned a couple of handles. And this is nothing more than telephone wire that we have extracted out of the house. And I have bound it together on the other side with electrical tape. It is super easy to move. And as you can see, it's just taped together on the back. So I can pull it into position, and then when we close the door, it fits in very nicely. Anyways, that's it's not terribly expensive. A 4x8 sheet of this in my area of the country runs about $33, and I've cut about a 2-foot long section off the side of it, and cut, I don't know, about another 18 inches or so off of it, just so that it fits the doorway. The nice thing about it is you can customize this very easily to fit your doorway, and all you really need is a sharp razor blade, a straight edge of some sort. I used a battery powered circular saw to cut the long edges with. So it's super easy. Anybody can do it, and it will hopefully keep, if you have an area like this, it'll help to keep the room adjacent to it just a little bit warmer. Anyways, that's what's going on. Today we're watching the, they got the car extracted out of our yard down there in the corner. You might be able to see it right next to the stop sign. They kind of chewed up some landscaping, but I'm really not a fan of mugo pines anyway. So, we have multiple deer trails going across the property, and it's supposed to be 50 by the weekend. So who knows? This could look totally different in the next 48 hours. Anyways, that's what's going on. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and be sure to comment. And if you have some ways that you have insulated, some low-tech insulation ways to keep your house warm, make sure that you share them down in the comment section below the sermon notes. Anyways, you guys have a great weekend. Cheers.